Women rarely say exactly what they mean when they're interested in a man, but they always show it. The trick is knowing how to read between the lines. She won't always come out and say, "I want you." Instead, she'll drop subtle hints, give you an opening, and wait to see if you pick up on it. And the men who understand these signals, they never second guess a woman's interest again. In this video, we're breaking down the exact phrases women use when they want you, phrases that might seem innocent on the surface, but actually reveal everything. If you've heard any of these before, you might have missed a golden opportunity. Let's get into it. 1. I don't usually do this, but... This phrase is a dead giveaway that she's already made up her mind. When a woman says this, she's not debating her decision, she's justifying it to herself. She wants you to know she's stepping outside of her usual behavior for you. Women don't say this to just anyone. When they do, it's their way of removing any potential judgment from the situation. By saying this, she's allowing herself to let go of whatever expectations she once had, fully embracing the moment. 2. Direct and bold statements. I want you, right now. I need you, badly. Stop playing and come here. She's skipping the hints and going straight to the point. There's no room for confusion. 3. Teasing and flirtatious hints. What would you do if I were in your bed right now? I probably shouldn't be saying this, but I'm thinking about you in ways I shouldn't. You always know how to get me excited. She's testing the waters, waiting for you to respond and escalate to something meaningful. 4. Expressing physical attraction. You smell so good. What cologne is that? I love the way you dress. You've got style. Your arms look really nice in that shirt. She's noticing your physical features and making it known. That's her way of expressing desire, suggestive. Inviting you closer. Come sit next to me. Why are you sitting so far away? I feel so safe around you. She's doing this in order to break physical barriers and making space for intimacy. 6. Making it clear she's available. I don't know why I'm still single. I'm not really talking to anyone seriously right now. I need a strong man in my life. She's subtly telling you that she's open to something happening between you two. 7. Asking personal questions. Testing the waters. What's your type? Be honest. Has anyone ever told you how attractive you are? Would you ever date someone like me? She's saying these because she's trying to see if you're interested back. 8. Talking about alone time. I'd love to cook for you one day. We should have a movie night, just the two of us. I don't invite just anyone over to my house, but maybe for you, I'll make an exception. She's creating opportunities for one-on-one time, which is a strong sign she wants you. 9. You smell so good. Scent is one of the most powerful subconscious triggers for attraction. Women associate fragrance with intimacy, memory, and desire. When a woman notices and compliments your scent, she's linking you to something personal. A compliment like "nice shoes" or "I like your jacket" is surface level. But when she comments on how you smell, it means she's already paying attention to you on a deeper level. And here's what most men overlook. Women don't usually mention a man's scent unless they want to be closer to him. It's an indirect way of saying, I've already imagined being near you. 10. Women rarely say exactly what they mean, but they do drop hints about their intentions. When a woman says this, she's giving you an open-ended statement, one that requires you to take action. A woman who truly wants to leave will simply say, "It's late, I should go." But when she adds, "But I don't feel like leaving yet," she's subtly placing the decision in your hands. Women don't just wait for the right moment, they create it, and men who learn to read these signals will never second-guess a woman's interest again. 11. Late night or random texts. If you're the first person she thinks of when she's alone, it's a major sign. Example 1. Can't sleep, entertain me. She's keeping the conversation going because she wants to talk to you. Example 2. What would you do if I was there with you right now? A very clear hint that she's thinking about being alone with you. Late-night texts, especially flirty ones, show that she's craving you and your attention. 12. Creating opportunities for physical contact. If she wants you, she'll find ways to touch you or invite touch. Example 1. You give the best hugs. Come here. She's initiating physical touch. Example 2. My hands are so cold. Warm them up for me. She's using an excuse to feel your hands. Physical touch is a big sign of attraction. If she's always close, leaning in, or touching you, it's intentional. Attraction isn't always about what's said directly. It's about the subtle hints, the unspoken invitations, and the quiet opportunities she creates. Women communicate interest in ways that aren't always obvious, but once you start recognizing these signals, you'll never second-guess a woman's intentions again. The key? Pay attention. When she lingers, when she hints, when she makes it easy for you to take the lead, it's not by accident. Confidence isn't about guessing, it's about understanding. So next time she drops one of these phrases, don't hesitate. Read the moment, take the cue, and move with certainty. Because if she's making it this easy, she's probably already made up her mind. Now tell me, have you ever caught one of these signals before? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments.